Day 3. We're off. Is there a breeze?
Oh yeah, there was, and there is.
Well, I can't feel it. It's
I
just hot.
I can.
Oh, there's a bit of wind.
Well, when I slightly open the door,
And that's security done, just here. And it's straight ahead. You got Earl of Sandwich. Let me go through what?
the security, and he went under the thing.
Did he?
Yeah, his head went. Ooh.
I wonder what he felt like.
Yeah.
Scanning. Remy.
Remy.
Earl of Sandwich time. And this will be our first.
You know,
Let's give it a try.
If they're like.
Open the door, mate. Pay for them and then collect them. It's easy.
I'd like a pizza.
A pizza bread.
Oh, pizza. Nice choice, Lacey.
Shall I get a bottle of water?
Yeah.
Just so we've got it. Get a
Water
pizza
as well, or tropical juice. And then did you get a cookie? Yeah.
What do you want, Will?
Some choice, isn't it? Oh, tuna mount. That sounds good.
Do you want that? Do you want that?
No.
Oh, you've got salads wraps. What's this? That is beef, horseradish and cheese.
Getting a coffee. Coffee as well. Look. Keep mum going, won't it?
Because I'm having her Coke, that's why.
Oh, was it? Got ya.
Because they had no Coke.
We're sharing.
Yeah, they had no Coke on the kids menu.
Yeah?
Not bad. Same as Mackie D's. Revelate. So I'm going to wait just over here with the food.
Oh, there's a high one there. This is mine now, guys.
What we got here then? Cookie,
That is so good.
pizza. We've got a Coke with your lace.
That is so good.
My sandwich. What you got, bud?
Brownie.
Brownie
And a Coke.
and a Coke. These are cool cups.
We've got my cookie.
And you got a sandwich, pack of crisps.
That is my bread pizza. Put it down.
Fully loaded. Spin it around. Nice. Meatball marinara.
Ready?
Yeah.
Mum, you ready?
It's like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
It is. Oh my god, I got a golden ticket.
Is it as good as you make it?
Oh no, but it's still good.
Wait, guys, that looks delicious.
That looks really nice. Turn it my way. Oh, look at those. Look at those bad boys.
I'd like to point out, this is my first coffee in France.
Didn't you have a Starbucks?
That was in the port.
Oh.
Guys,
Well done,
I'm
you.
going to do a test.
Taste test.
It smells so good.
Taste test.
Oh my god, that's so good, but not as good as mine.
That good?
I mean, I was going to say, me and Mum and Lily on the show.
Want to open yours, Mum?
I'm busy.
I'll open it.
What are you doing?
It just smells so good.
Mum, you sit down. Mum, I'm opening your sandwich, okay?
Okay.
I see some lettuce.
Look at all that.
Can you just keep drinking and eating my food, please, mister?
Yeah, mister.
There you go.
There you go.
Let's
We're upstairs in the Earl of Sandwich.
Sign.
Balloon. And there's pigeons
On the sign.
on the sign. And you can come straight upstairs and just scan the QR code and order. And then just go downstairs and pick it up in about 10 minutes. It was pretty quick, wasn't it? To be fair. It's all freshly made. It is nice. Nice and warm. Earl of Sandwich brownie. Does smell like brownie. Look at that cookie.
No, you
It's nearly as big as your face.
You're gonna have a bite of mine.
That's not a bad kids meal.
It's a good kids meal.
It's like $8.95
Yeah.
for a cookie, and it's a good cookie, pizza,
And a good drink. Or you could have had water. So for €9, it's not bad.
and for 5 got Coke. I love brownie. It's called Walt Disney Studios.
Walt Disney Studios. You've got 8 minutes to try and get a virtual queue. Good luck. There he is, Disneyland Park. Got the Disney Village. Got a couple of airplanes in the sky. And we are heading towards Walt Disney Studios, which I think is going to be called Adventureland soon. Next year. We've got 1 minute to get in for the virtual queues.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.